I'm Dr. Stephen B. Hopping at the Washington Hair Clinic, and this young lady who has beautiful hair, but hair has been an issue like it is for all of us, and she is getting a series of PRP treatments. She's also using minoxidil topically, and it's, as you can see, her results have been really fantastic. So we're going to demonstrate painless PRP today. I know many of you out there are getting PRP, and you know, when you get the PRP, we draw the blood, we get the serum, and usually inject with a needle. But as we just discovered with this lovely patient the last time, what happened when we used the needle last time?
It hurt.
It hurts. So we now have a technique that is completely painless. So we now apply the serum to the scalp, and we're using transepidermal delivery, which is ultrasonic energy, which is pushing the PRP. Sometimes we add a patented serum at the same time into the hair follicles. No needles, no pain, feels like a massage. We recommend a series of 3 treatments. Studies have shown that that's optimal. And initially you may have some shedding, but after 3 treatments, somewhere between 6 months and 12 months, voila, we see increased thicker hair.